And a blessed birthday, dear Auntie. I'm so happy for you how gracefully you're bringing in your 75th. How beautifully you have lived your life in faith and gratitude is so inspiring. I have some very fond memories with you and I totally cherish it. How we love spending time with you in Bombay. Looking forward to see you in good times. Enjoy. Wishing you all the happiness you deserve.
Hello, Ragini Auntie. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Hello, Justice, Pooja, and the grandchildren. This is especially for you, Ragini Auntie. Matchmaker, you made me a good match. Thank you. You know what I say, Auntie. Ragini Auntie, this is for you. बार बार दिन ये आए, 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 तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Ragini Auntie, happy birthday to you. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये आए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Ragini Auntie, happy birthday to you. Love you all. Bye. Have a great day.
Happy birthday, Rampi Auntie. God bless you with the best of health and all the happiness. So nice. This time you are with the bachas in the US celebrating, I think, after years. So God give you everything that you desire. You know, you've given us so much love and affection. We love you. Have a lovely day. Bye. All these flowers are for you, Rampi Auntie. They're all blooming and giving all bright sunlight for you. All good health, happiness all over the world. Spreading it. See you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Rampi Auntie. All the best to you. Have a lovely life, great health. And it's been really lovely knowing you. It's been almost 36 years since I have met you. You've changed not a bit and you look the same. All the best, good health and happiness to you. Bye.
Rampi Ram ji, happy 71st diamond anniversary. God bless you. Love you, beta. So, आज you are 75. Oh, looking so young. રાપી જૂની વાતો બહુ યાદ આવે છે. જૂની વાતો બહુ યાદ આવે છે કે 1962-63માં when I went to Delhi for my tour, you had asked me to get some shoes with AD वाले shoes. तो I got 3 pairs for you. घर में मेरा भाजी से झगड़ा हो गया था कि भेड़िया को तेरी जूते लेके आया भेड़ वास्ते एक ले आंदा. देखिए तेरा प्यार था, मैं ले आया एंड यू लव्ड इट. गॉड ब्लेस यू बेटा. तो आज तेरे लिए कुछ शब्द है मेरे पास. मैं बोलता हूँ कि जिंदगी का तराना यूं ही चलता रहे, जिंदगी का तराना यूं ही चलता रहे. मेरी प्यारी बहना मुझसे यूं ही मिलती रहे. ईश्वर करे तेरी हर ख्वाहिश भगवान पूरी करेगी. गॉड ब्लेस यू बेटा. लव यू. और क्या बोलूँ तो एक लिख दूँ तो एक लफ्ज़ हो तुम, लिख दूँ तो एक लफ्ज़ हो तुम, सोच लूँ तो एक ख्याल हो तुम, मांग लूँ तो मेरी मन्नत हो तुम, और चाह लूँ तो मेरी आन बान और शान हो तुम. लव यू बेटा. लव यू सिस्टर. आई लव यू. गॉड ब्लेस यू. ऑल द बेस्ट.
सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, आहा आहा तुम्हें मुबारक घड़ियाँ गुरु ज्ञान की. देखते देखते जिंदगी कितनी पीछे निकल गई, लेकिन मुड़कर देखती हूँ राम पे तो बड़ी मीठी यादें संजोई हुई हैं. 4 बहनों को छोड़कर आई थी। भगवान ने उन 4 का प्यार 2 में मुझे समेट कर मेरी झोली में डाल दिया। बहुत प्यार, बहुत इज्जत, बहुत मान मुझे हर वक्त मिला है। इससे अधिक कोई भी लड़की कुछ चाहती नहीं है दुनिया में, और वो सब मुझे मिलता रहा है। तुम सबके प्यार के कारण हर वक्त मुझे कभी भी बेगानापन महसूस ही नहीं हुआ। आज सोचती हूँ तो लगता है यू आर 75, वाओ क्या कहने। मगर ये है, जिंदगी वर्षों से नहीं गिनी जाती। जिंदगी गिनी जाए कि तुम कितने गुरु ज्ञान में टिके हो, क्या कर रहे हो, क्या नहीं कर रहे हो। भगवान ने बहुत तुम पर रहमत की है, तुम्हें ज्ञान के साथ प्यार करना सिखाया है। मुझे दिल से बहुत खुशी है इस बात की, और हंसता खेलता परिवार तुम्हें मिला है। खुशियों से घर भरपूर रहे, चेहरे सभी के नूर नूर रहे। तेरे करम से, तेरी रहम से, गम तुम सबसे दूर रहे, गम तुम सबसे दूर रहे। खुशियों से घर भरपूर रहे। सेलिब्रेट बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से जिंदगी का हर दिन तुम्हारा जन्मदिन बन जाए, इस रूप से सेलिब्रेट करना। हमारी दुआएं हर वक्त के साथ हैं। गॉड ब्लेस। हरिओम।
रामपी आंटी कैसे हो? राम राम जी। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर रामपी आंटी, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। जन्म दिवस शुभ हो, जन्म दिवस शुभ हो, शुभदाई हृदय चिरायु पामो। Wishing you a beautiful, happy, peaceful year ahead. Happy birthday.
Ramji, happy birthday to you. Always keep smiling as you always do. Love you. Take care. Ram ji, happy birthday to you. How are you? Hope fine. Take care. Keep smiling as you always do. Love you.
It's a happy birthday. May you live to be 103. It's a happy birthday. Rampi Bua, happy birthday. God bless you. May you get endless joy and excellent health always. We miss you and love you. Enjoy your big day. Bye.
Happy birthday, Rampi Auntie. Your 75th birthday, what a special day. And great that you're with family. Of course, we all are also your extended family and we miss you a lot. But you have been an epitome of patience and one of the strongest pillars of our family. You are a role model and knowingly, unknowingly, you are affecting our lives positively on a daily basis. God bless you with all happiness that you deserve and you desire. Jai Mata Di.
Rampi Auntie, કેમ છો? Many happy returns of the day. 75 પૂરા કરો છો. વાવ, તાળી પાડી છે. વન્ડરફુલ. બીજા પણ દરેક વર્ષ એકદમ સુખમય, આરોગ્યમય અને ખૂબ જ ખુશીથી વીતે એવી અમારી પ્રભુને પ્રાર્થના.
Rampi Auntie, Jai Mata Di. 26th May is a very special day. Very Bua ki birthday and the day we met. So wish you a very happy birthday. Pranam aapko. 2 lines for you. You've made your life beautiful. जीवन सुंदर बनाऊं तो तुझने गमे, खुद खिलूने खिलाऊं तो तुझने गमे। जीवन सुंदर बनाऊं तो तुझने गमे।
For me, Mummy Ji is lovable, caring and kind. Happy birthday, Mummy Ji. I hope you have a great day and I'm hoping to see you soon. Bye.
Happy 75th birthday, Nani.
So many times I look back to the moments spent with you when I came to Mumbai when I was little. I hope to spend many more moments with you. Hope to see you soon.
Nani, I remember the time when I came alone to meet you in Bombay. I miss the time. I had amazing memories with you. Thank you.
Nani, to me, Bombay is not about tall buildings. It's about you. आप जल्दी आ जाओ और मेरे को रस पूरी खिलाओ. Love you, Nani. See you soon.
Hello, Rampi Auntie. Ram Ram Ji. Jai Mata Di. Wishing you a very very happy birthday. मजा आ रहा है ना सबके साथ उधर, दर्शित, पूजा और बच्चों के साथ. Have a great 75th birthday with your children, grandchildren, and may you have lots and lots of moments of happiness, laughter and joy. May your life be filled with health, happiness and peace of mind. Love you.
A very happy birthday, Rampi Didi. You are a beautiful soul, ever smiling, affectionate and so giving for your family. May Mata Rani bless you with good health and you have beautiful memories with your children and grandchildren. They are a pride for you. Have a nice day. God bless.
Jai Mata Di, Om Sai Ram, Mummy. Many, many happy returns of the day. God bless you with happiness, prosperity, peace in life. मम्मी, आपने हमेशा हमें कुछ दिया ही दिया है. मुझे ऑलवेज याद है, आप अब हमेशा यही बोलते हो कि a penny earned is a penny saved. Mama, I always remember you everything in life, in all phases of life. And Mama, one thing I am sure, हमेशा मैं डैडी को याद करती हूँ. डैडी हमेशा बोलते थे, दर्शित आपको हमेशा पूरी दुनिया घुमाएगा, और आज वो कर ही रहा है. I am proud of Darshit, Pooja. I am proud of you also. Mama, I love you so much. Jai Mata Di.
Happy 75th birthday, Auntie. I wish Almighty bless you with happiness, love and good health because you deserve it. I remember the long sleepless nights, Auntie, and chatting with you the whole night. I miss you, Auntie. Come soon.
Jai Mata Di, Om Sai Ram, Mummy Ji. Wish you a very very happy 75th awesome birthday. We pray you keep always smiling.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Oh ya ja kar la mauj mastiyan khushiyan milne na yaar sastiyan.
Wish you a very very happy 75th birthday.
Wishing you a very happy 75th birthday, Mummy Ji. God bless you.
I want to say a small शायरी for your birthday. आपके जन्मदिन पर देते हैं हम ये दुआ, खुशियाँ आपके दामन में कभी ना हो जुदा, खुदा की रहमत में कभी कमी ना आए, आपके होठों की मुस्कुराहट ना जाए. जन्मदिन बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. Happy
Have an
birthday.
awesome day, Mummy ji.
Enjoy.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Ragini ji. Missing you a lot. Not me, but all your friends to whoever I spoke, they are missing you. Remembering the lovely days that we spent with you, and the other days also that we were going to plan, which were not happening because of this corona. I hope when you come, all this is over and we can again go back to that places which we are talking about. Love you. I hope you are very happy with the family and with the kids where you wanted to celebrate your 75th birthday. Wish you all the best.